Here are the parts we will cover in the tire section: tire size, DOT date, PSI ratings for single and double axle, load range, tread, data plate on side of the RV or in door jamb of motorized RVs. The data plate on your RV indicates proper size as well as PSI pressure for your tires. This is a good place to start when airing the tires. However, the ultimate, most accurate way to determine PSI for your tires and RV is with a tire PSI table from the manufacturer that takes into account variables like weight of each axle and all wheels with your RV fully loaded. Use a tire pressure gauge to check the pressure of your tires every single time you're ready to travel, whether going to your destination or coming home. Every time, no matter what. Take the reading when the tire is cold and has not been heated up during use while traveling. Consider carrying a portable air compressor. Examine the sidewalls of your tires for signs of cracking, feathering, or any damage. One important enemy of your tires is the sun. Keep them covered if possible when you are parked. Check the tread for any signs of uneven wear caused by over or under inflation. The DOT dates on your tire indicate the year the tire was manufactured. The 4-digit number tells you the week and year that it was born. It is recommended to replace your RV tires every 5 to 7 years, no matter what the condition. Make sure to replace all tires at the same time. It's also a good idea to have a professional pack the wheel bearings on the scheduled intervals recommended by your manufacturer.